Okay, let's add a WeVideo Interactive as an assignment in Canvas. So you'll see here that I'm logged into my WeVideo Interactive, and I'm in a folder where I have a series called Think Like a Coder, and my videos are ready to go. So I'm going to come up to the top and switch to my Canvas tab, and I'm already in the modules for the course that I want to add the assignment to. So I'm going to come to the top of the module and click the plus button and add an assignment, and we're going to create an assignment. And we have to give it a placeholder name, so I'm going to call this EP10 because it's episode 10 that I'm adding. And then I will click Add Item, and as usual, Canvas adds it to the bottom of this module. So here we find the new assignment, and we'll click on it to edit it. Come to the Edit button. And then we need to set up the usual things that we would do in Canvas. We'll give it a point value. It's going to be 100 points. It is going to be a practice assignment. And when we come to the submission type, we're going to choose External Tool. And then we'll click the Find button. Then we need to scroll all the way to the bottom because they are kind of alphabetical. And we need the WeVideo Interactivity. Make sure you click the correct one. We want the interactivity one. And we'll give it a moment to load, and we'll click Set Link. Now, when we click the Set Link button, it's going to take us over to this page that looks a lot like our normal WeVideo page. And we can click this Link Content button with the Canvas logo and Set Link. And that allows this little platform button to show up. Now, usually you can come to the folder and do that, but it's not always working. A lot of times it just kicks you back to your root folder. So while you can organize your videos that way to assign them, sometimes you're just going to have to go back and find it in the list because you need to find the video that you want and have this Link Interactive Video button with the Canvas logo. And we're going to click that and then choose Link. And then that takes us here. If you need to change it from self-paced to live broadcast, you can do that. But I'm just going to click Self-Set Link because I want the kids to be able to do it whenever. And we get a little fireworks thing, and we come back to Canvas. We'll hit Select again. And then we need to make sure we, of course, set it to sync with Synergy. We'll give it a due date. This one is for tomorrow. And I like to go ahead and set an available until just to make sure I don't forget to do that later. And I will hit Save. Once you've done that, if you want to preview it to make sure it's working, you can click the Load button here, and it should take you to the video. And you can preview it. And if everything worked correctly, you'll see your video, and you're good to go.